It's not. Trust and believe that it is not.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. Always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want.
Ethan, that's not a house. It's not a house. Can you get out so mommy can put this in?
But I just want to play in here.
Okay, well, you go ahead and play.
Let's play! Let's play!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me mute the Power Rangers. Yeah. So as you can see, we have a lots of trash and recycling that needs to go out. It is Sunday, August 1st, so I really want to start the month off on a good foot, clean, clear trash, all of that good stuff. So we haven't gone anywhere today, so I haven't had a reason to get in the car. So I will literally just be moving my car to take the trash because I cannot walk all this trash over there by myself. I could. All right, now he's mad because the volume is low. I could. This is why I work out. I could definitely do that, but I don't want to. Ethan's gonna come with me, and it's gonna be a whole ordeal just to go take the trash out and come back. But it has to be done. And when we come back,
We go to the McDonald's?
no, we're not going to McDonald's.
We go to the store?
No, we're going to take the trash out. So once I am done taking the trash out, I am going to meal prep, not like meal prep like I have prepped meals, but like cook for the week. Well, for most of the week, so that during the week when we're busy and we're getting home super late or whatever the case is, I'm not stressed and we're not going through a drive-through because I did not prepare for the week. So that is what I am doing right now. And then once I'm done with meal prepping, or I might, I'm gonna, okay, thank you. He put his Crocs on. So I'm going to meal prep, and then we're going to get Ethan's hair together. It needs to be taken down, washed, conditioned, and rebraided. I don't know when I'm going to Your hair is messy now?
Yes.
Yeah, it needs to be done. I don't know when I'm going to cut his hair, you guys. He is turning 4 in a couple of weeks, and I'm still like, I don't want to cut it. Like, I just can't bring myself to do it. So anyway, I'm going to redo it for, you know, the millionth time. Yes? my dinner. I have some 7-grain rice, ready rice. All I had to do was put it in the microwave for a minute. Then I have some of the Loma Linda. Some of the Loma Linda taco fillings, which you see right here, and cilantro over all of that. Then I have the Brussels sprouts, zucchini, and the asparagus that I roasted. And I just have all that in this plate bowl hybrid situation. So I'm about to eat this, and then I'm gonna probably do some yoga tonight and take a bubble bath because I am feeling, that's how I'm feeling right now. So the boys already ate, and their chicken is still in the oven. The chicken is still in the oven. It's not quite done yet. It's probably gonna take another 15 minutes, but yeah, I'm really actually pretty tired and emotionally drained. If you saw my latest cleaning video, I talked a little bit about how my emotions have been kind of all over the place, and that's exhausting when you kind of go from one extreme to the other and then back, and then so it's been an emotional roller coaster for me the last week or so. So I'm doing my part, and I am eating healthy as I can. I've been active throughout this entire ordeal. I have 20-minute clips in my phone of me just like spilling my guts all over the place, but I am trying to do my best to not overshare on the internet, because that is a surefire way to go backwards and not forward. Whatever you see. Yes. Okay, get your cup. Just know that the people that you see on the internet, the people that you see in the store, the people that you see walking down the street, everybody is going through something, and you may feel like you're the only one who's struggling with a certain thing. Get it out the refrigerator. Okay. You may be the only one. You think you're the only one struggling with something, or you think that everybody else's life is so perfect and everything looks so perfect. It's not. It's not. Trust and believe that it is not. And I know that I may like make things look easy, and when hold on guys, sometimes I look back on my footage and I'm like, especially vlogs, and you've probably noticed that I haven't been vlogging as much. It's because of everything that's been going on with me emotionally, and I just didn't want to come on camera and just be like so melancholy and like low energy. But anyway, when I look back on footage, sometimes I am like, wow, I really made that look really easy. I make things seem so easy, and it's not easy. It's really hard sometimes. So anyway, I'm going to eat my dinner, do some yoga. So that's what's on the agenda. Just pray for me, or think positive thoughts for me. Whatever you believe in that will send some positive vibes my way, do exactly that for me. Yeah. So I was just getting ready to throw out my coffee grounds from this morning, but I think I'm going to use it to do a little bit of a scrub tonight. So I'm just going to transfer all of the coffee grounds from in here to in this little bowl, and I'm going to add some olive oil to it.